This is an update video on the Wallpaper TV from LG. This is the 2017 version. A lot of you have been asking how this TV performs with PC games or gaming. Well, the only console I've got is the Nvidia Shield. Since we've got the new update, I can show you some PC games like Far Cry, Destiny 2, maybe even some Doom. Alright, so Oreo has officially been pushed to every single Shield out there. I was in the preview program. It took me a while to get it because there was a few bugs and delays. But since it's been pushed out, all those bugs have been squashed really. Since the version went out to everyone instead of the preview members, one annoying bug which really irritated me is gone. I think there was some help from Google with that one because the launcher got updated. So what it was is the launcher, the icons on the launcher would just be blank. And even these icons on the left, they would just be blank. And there was no way to really fix it except to restarting, but even restarting doesn't really fix it sometimes. But now, after a couple of days of the new update from the Play Store, seems like that's been fixed. Okay, got some more updates here, I'll just do them in the background. Alright, so I don't know about y'all, but I really like this update. I love how it brings media content forefront into the launcher. You know, before it was just a bunch of app icons and recommendations that you never really used, except for YouTube sometimes, maybe if something caught your attention. But now it's all the content that you want in one place, and I really like it. I think it looks good, looks smart, looks slick, and it runs really well. No lag one bit. I did try and change the DPI to 4K because I know this doesn't really output at 4K truly on the launcher, that is. I tried that, but it lagged. The Shield couldn't handle it, which was a shame because it looked much crisper. But I don't mind this. I think it looks really good. I don't have a problem with it at all. Alright, so I'll just jump into video games. So, don't know if you've heard, but Nvidia has stopped charging people for GeForce Now because they're bringing out a new revised version of it. That could be with a new price plan, it could be with the new games that they support. For instance, on the PC you got GeForce Now, or on the Mac you got GeForce Now for Mac, and that allows you to play games from your Steam library, Ubisoft, Origin, pretty much everywhere. Whereas here, they only really allow you to play games that are on their servers, and it's not a great selection, I'll be honest. Best one is probably Witcher 3, which I've already purchased. There's not a lot going on here except for games that are built in, which I don't really play that much. I mainly just stream from a PC. Now it's best to have your setup wired if you can. That's the only way you're going to get reliable performance from the Shield when you're streaming. So test the connection here. This should give me a pretty decent result. This is all set up as a gigabit network in this house. I got network ports in every room pretty much. Did that for a reason, pretty much for my server, which is upstairs, and also for game streaming. My PC is upstairs, and what I want to do is play games in HDR on this TV because it looks beautiful. It looks amazing. Now the game that really shows it off is Far Cry 5, so I'll jump into that. Okay, so it's loading up. Got some websites up. If you haven't checked it out already, visit A-hAAN.co.uk. It's a new website that I'm building. It's a web app, so it performs like an app on the web. It'll kind of match native app performance. You click on an article, read a review of mine, it'll load instantly. Check it out, it's forever growing. It's still in its infancy at the minute, but check it out, it will get better. A-hAAN.co.uk, that's A-H-A-A-N.co.uk. Don't know if you guys played this yet. I love it, I can't get enough of it. It's an amazing game. Ubisoft really went to a different direction here and they ran with it, and it's amazing. It's nothing like this out there. So I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm running this with a TI at the minute, so it's on 4K and it supports HDR10 and HDR-SC RGB. Not quite sure what that is, I can't really see a difference. I prefer this one anyway because it's standard. Now, you won't really see exactly how good this looks through this recording, but the bloom effect is what makes it really nice to look at. It's the HDR that makes it stand out. I tried to play this game without HDR and it's not the same, it just looks dull and lifeless. This definitely brings some life to it. Right, well, I can't screen record because NVIDIA has taken away that functionality from this update, so have to make do with this. But you can tell it looks beautiful. Now you can also find out how bad I am at shooting. Got me some roadkill. Okay, I just got this gun, I don't know what the hell it is. I thought it would be a throwback to Half-Life, the gravity gun, but it's not. It kind of just pushes things. It's pretty cool. Oh, I've got to gather 3 types of boar testicles, I won't do that now. Get points for shooting these. Ooh. This sniper rifle is powerful. Uh-oh. Does the plane see me? I think he has. Uh-oh. Bullets on my sniper, damn it. Well, this TV performs like an absolute beast when it comes to games. I've had no issues with banding. Nothing like that. HDR has been perfect, no issues. Lag on the games, don't notice it. Try this car. Game streaming, no lag when you're using a gigabit wired connection But I have to say, it's hit and miss. I've got another Shield upstairs. That's the older shape, not the smaller version. That doesn't perform as well. That does say it's lagging quite a lot, even under the same connection. So if you're experiencing issues, speak to NVIDIA, see if you can get it swapped out through warranty. If you're out of warranty, you can still try anyway, because NVIDIA are pretty good at honouring it, even if you're out of warranty. They did that to me twice now. So yeah, definite thumbs up to NVIDIA. Let's get this gun out. See what this can do. It kind of just pushes them right back. Which is kind of satisfying, but it doesn't kill them. If you run out of bullets, I suppose you can buy you some time. Oh wait, I think that did kill him. Maybe I need to get closer. Oh no, don't let him do that. Oh shit. Oh no! Looks like I died. Ah well, I'm only fooling around anyway. But showing you potential in this TV, at the same time showing you the potential with the Shield. Shield is definitely a good replacement for a console if you're sick of Xbox and PlayStation and you just want to play PC games on the couch. You can do that with this, and it's beautiful. Definitely recommend it. There used to be a few issues, but they're kind of non-existent now. I just suppose the only issue would be using a controller instead of a mouse. But you could use a controller if you really wanted to. Sorry, mouse and keyboard if you really wanted to. Ah. Nice. Oh shit. That's right. Drive-by motherfuckers. Someone else shooting at me? Come get it. This game is so fun. Where are the... Ho! Holy shit. Alright, I'll stop that here. Quickly quit the game, and that shuts it down on the PC. Back to the home screen. These are all the games I got. It's not a whole lot, but they all run really well. Some games don't work, like Fortnite. No, wait. I think that works. PUBG doesn't work. You need a mouse and keyboard for that. Alright, well that concludes this quick update on the Wallpaper OLED and the NVIDIA Shield and how it performs with games. 4K games, HDR games. Works really well, can't knock it. Any game that supports HDR will work perfectly on the NVIDIA Shield with this Wallpaper TV and any other OLED TV. Remember to check out my website A-hAAN.co.uk, A-hAAN.co.uk, and like this if if you enjoyed watching this video. Thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something else like this. Recommend anything you want to see. And I'll speak to you next time. Out. Cheers.